That Mama Doe and fawn came back out this afternoon. Well, that fawn show growing. No spots at all on them right now. They starting to get up a little size. Mama Doe still looking good, nice and healthy. Well, got another one over here. I think this might be the twins. There's one of them. There's the other one. And then there's Mama. No, we hadn't seen them in here so far today, so they coming in late. Oh, that might not be twins because there's another Mama coming around the side of my workshop. So they're coming in behind the back of this building, storage building. So maybe they'll come on right here. Yep. There comes the baby. Mama right behind her. So it's not the twins.
The little one don't have any spots anymore.
So 4 of them out here right now. Excuse me.
But yeah, they left you out there.
You can see 3 of them in the picture, and then there comes the 4th one now. So 2 Mama Does, 2 babies. It looks like the big Mama Does are starting to put on winter coats. You can see the color in their coats are starting to change. I'm sure them babies won't be far behind. If y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you think. As long as these